My name is Mastering Self-Introduction in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're focusing on the important task of introducing yourself and sharing your name. Remember, the way you introduce yourself can set the tone for the entire conversation, so it's crucial to get it right. In this video, we'll look at the phrase, "My name is," in both formal and informal contexts. First, let's talk about the basic phrase, "My name is." This is a straightforward way of introducing yourself, and it works in virtually any situation. To use it, simply follow the phrase with your name. For example, "My name is John." Easy, right? In formal situations, it's important to use the full phrase, "My name is," to introduce yourself. This could be at a job interview, when meeting a superior at work, or during any formal meeting or event. Here are a few examples. Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm the new project manager. Good morning, my name is Michael, and I'll be your guide today. In more casual or informal situations, we can often shorten "my name is" to just "I'm." This is common among friends, acquaintances, or in relaxed social settings. Here are some examples. Hey, I'm Alex. Hi there, I'm Laura. Nice to meet you. Remember, even though "I'm" is more casual, it's still polite and perfectly acceptable to use in most situations. Lastly, when using "my name is," remember that you can include your title if it's relevant to the conversation. This is common in professional settings. For example, "Hello, my name is Dr. Thompson, and I will be your physician." Good afternoon, my name is Officer Jenkins. Mastering the phrase, "My name is," and understanding when to use it is a great step in improving your English communication skills. Remember, the key is to match the formality of your introduction with the situation you're in. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice these phrases in your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.